Have you ever wondered how to make money with Amazon KDP? If you've ever dreamed of earning money online without showing your face, without talking to clients, and without learning complicated software, stay with me. Because today, I'll show you how complete beginners are publishing their first KDP books, and how you can do the same starting today. I've seen people publish their first book in one evening. Some made their first sales within days. No design skills, no experience, just a simple process and the right tools. And honestly, if they can do it, you can too. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through creating your first KDP interior, designing a cover, choosing a niche, and publishing your book on Amazon. And at the end, I'll offer you something special. A complete starter pack that helps you publish faster and with confidence. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, Amazon's platform that allows you to publish books for free. You upload a PDF, choose a category, set a price, and Amazon prints and ships your book for you. You don't need inventory. You don't need a warehouse. You don't need any upfront investment. You don't need to write a novel. Beginners start with simple books like journals, planners, logbooks, trackers, activity books, coloring pages, and more. These books are easy to create, easy to publish, and people buy them every day. Is it really that simple? Well, a lot depends on the niche you choose for your book. If you choose the wrong niche, you're hosted. That's what Wesley Atkins says, the creator of the KDSPY plugin, which helps authors quickly find the right niche for their products. However, you can also research a niche on your own without using paid tools. It's just a bit more time-consuming. The easiest way to find a niche is to look at what people already buy. Search Amazon for journal, planner, logbook, tracker. Check the reviews. Look at what people complain about. It's a hint at what your future product should do better than the competition. When you type a broad keyword into Amazon's search bar, you'll see suggestions appear underneath. It's worth paying attention to them when researching a niche, because these are the phrases people are currently searching for most often, which means they point to products that are genuinely in demand. This is one of many clues that can help you identify profitable niches for low-content books. If you want to discover even more powerful niche-finding methods, check out my KDP Mega Starter Pack. Along with ready-to-use materials for your KDP projects, you'll get a bonus video that walks you step by step through finding a profitable niche on your own. No paid tools required. If you can solve a small problem, you have a niche. You can create interiors in Canva. Start with a simple page layout. Search for notebook interior in Canva's templates. Duplicate the page 100 times. Export the pages as a PDF. That's your interior, ready for upload. Design an eye-catching cover with bold colors. Use clear text and simple graphics. Utilize Canva's KDP cover templates. Replace text and add graphics, then export PDF. At the end, you need two files. Your interior PDF, your cover PDF. Upload both to KDP. Choose your category, set your price, and submit for review. Amazon checks your files. If everything is correct, your book goes live and people can buy it worldwide. You earn money every time someone buys your book. Amazon prints it. Amazon ships it. Amazon handles everything. Now that you've seen exactly how to create and publish your own KDP book, I want to make this process even easier for you. I've prepared a complete bundle called the KDP Mega Starter Pack, and it contains everything you need to start publishing today. You'll get ready-made interiors, covers, Canva templates, graphics, fonts, and helpful resources that speed up your workflow and remove all the guesswork. It's perfect for beginners, perfect if you want to publish fast, and perfect if you want to start earning on KDP without wasting time. And the best part? It costs only $9.90. You can grab it right now, the link is in the description. And there's one more thing. If you sign up for my newsletter on the store page, you'll receive 2 extra bonuses completely for free. A curated list of useful KDP links, and a step-by-step publishing blueprint that shows you exactly what to do from start to finish. These 2 resources alone can save you hours, and they're yours just for joining the newsletter. So if you're ready to start creating, publishing, and building your own digital income stream, check the link below, download the KDP Mega Starter Pack, and let's make your first KDP product together. You can start today. You can publish today. And who knows, this might be the beginning of something amazing for you.